As a woman, taking care of your health should be one of your top priorities. With the numerous responsibilities you have, it can be easy to neglect your health. However, taking care of yourself is crucial for your overall well-being. In this article, we will share 7 essential health tips for women that every woman should take to heart. Eat a balanced diet. One of the most important things you can do for your health is to eat a balanced diet. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote overall well-being. With that in mind, let's dive into the topic of eating a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is one of the most important things you can do for your health. A balanced diet is one that provides your body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. This includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help protect your body from disease and support overall health. Whole grains provide fiber, which is important for digestive health, and also provide important vitamins and minerals. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and beans, provide essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, can help support brain health and reduce inflammation. When it comes to creating a balanced diet, it's important to focus on nutrient density rather than calorie counting. Instead of focusing on how many calories you're consuming, focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods that will provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients it needs. One way to ensure you're eating a balanced diet is to follow the USDA's My Plate guidelines. My Plate recommends that your plate be filled with 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% whole grains, and 25% lean proteins. It also recommends that you choose low-fat dairy products and limit your intake of saturated fats, added sugars, and sodium. Another way to ensure you're eating a balanced diet is to plan your meals in advance. This can help you ensure that you're getting a variety of nutrients and can also help you save time and money. When planning your meals, aim to include a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. You can also try new recipes and experiment with different types of foods to keep things interesting. In addition to eating a balanced diet, it's also important to practice moderation when it comes to less healthy foods. While it's okay to indulge in treats and less healthy foods occasionally, it's important to do so in moderation. This can help prevent overconsumption and ensure that you're still getting the nutrients your body needs. In conclusion, eating a balanced diet is essential for your health. By consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Remember to focus on nutrient density rather than calorie counting, follow My Plate guidelines, plan your meals in advance, and practice moderation when it comes to less healthy foods. By following these tips, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for your health. Women should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated helps your body function properly, regulates body temperature, and flushes out toxins. While it may seem like a topic unrelated to drones, staying hydrated is important for everyone, including drone enthusiasts. Not only does dehydration affect your overall health, but it can also impact your ability to fly a drone safely and effectively. In this blog post, we'll explore the importance of staying hydrated and offer tips for staying hydrated throughout the day. Why stay hydrated? The human body is made up of approximately 60% water, which means that staying hydrated is essential for proper bodily function. Water is important for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste. When you're dehydrated, your body can't function properly, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even more serious health issues. In addition to the health benefits, staying hydrated can also improve your drone flying experience. Dehydration can affect your concentration, reaction time, and cognitive function, all of which are important when flying a drone. By staying hydrated, you can ensure that you're able to fly your drone safely and effectively.